Fusion tables. The URL is fusiontables.google.com. Let's see what happens when you open this. We'll create a fusion table. Speed it up a little bit. I've already created one. You can also go to say new table, and then this one takes CSV files or KML files from the computer. Choose file, and you say it's a CSV file. Anyway, I've already done it. Actually, when you do that, you'll say comma or tab. Sometimes your CSV files are actually tab delimited. You should see that. It's just separated. Anyway, since I've already done it, once you've uploaded it, all the rows are going to show. And in the CSV file, if you have a special row called geometry, you have to name it like geometry. The contents, sorry, if I go here, okay. Content are coordinates, points, coordinates. It's not visible here. They are geographic coordinates. Yeah, coordinate, right? It could be a polygon shape. In this case, it's just points. So if you click on here, this one comes up by default. You'll see all these points. Now these points are pretty ugly. Change that. Another important thing is we can do a filter based on all these things. The filters are AND filters only. You cannot do complex filters like OR. So an SQL you can do. So name equal to. With strings you can only do a or. Click, 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 or you can even type here #4, and then hit enter, and then check or uncheck. You see the filter being formed. Or with numbers, it's a number. Unfortunately, you can define only one range, from and to. So from 2 and 3, you have only one here. Anyway, they're pretty useful. Close filters, close the filters, all of them. Now we don't like how it looks. So I'm going to say, okay, info window. So when you click here, a window pops up, right? Okay, here. You see name, rating, address, tribe, K. So you say you can decide what the pop-up is. Change info window, and obviously geometry. You don't want the whole coordinates to appear. You can actually unselect stuff, or you can do custom. You can just, these are like normal HTML. You can say, hey, take it up, down. Anyway, this is fine for, this is important. I don't like these red dots. So you can say small green. I like that one. Small green. You can also do all these. If it's a polygon shape, now it's a point. Latitude and longitude points. So you have these dots. If it's a polygon shape, then you can fill colors and border. That's fine. That's it. Auto saves, and now you can download CSV. When you do a CSV, it's going to download the same way you uploaded. All the colors, all the information is not going to be in the CSV. However, if you do KML, it's going to retain that color and that point information. But the only time you want to do KML if you want to import to a Google Maps here. And you do add layer, import. I have tried importing CSV files directly. Didn't work. So I always have to upload to a Fusion table first, do the filtering, the unwanted data I want to filter out, and then upload the KML file. Then you can rename that. And another thing, after you upload the KML, things you do is click here. You can group places by, that's fine. Set labels. Oh, the label will tell you what shows up here. So if I do AFFID, it's going to show the AFFID. Who cares? So name, it's going to show the name. both places. If you say college or higher, anyway, it just shows education. I actually forgot how this number comes up. Sequence of numbers set by data column, maybe description, I don't know. I'm gonna click here, all the info tab the description column somehow, we should have removed that description column. Let's see if we can remove that. We don't like description column. Okay, the description column is actually the info thing we did. Can we change that? I don't know. We can say set this as a title column. Then you cannot remove it. You cannot delete this guy because it's a title right now. Name is a title. But if you set another one as a title, you can remove this guy. I would not bother too much about this will remain this way. It's okay. Column, yeah, it's fine. Anyway, this is how we do. We go to tables, upload CSVs, do the filtering. We cannot do the filtering in the map, and then we download this KML and upload to this map.